If you've ever wondered if you should and how to clean your countertop or travel ice maker, this is the video for you. Welcome to Dad and Son DIY It All, and we're going to show you in a few simple steps how to do this. Now, we don't waste any of the existing water, so we drain any water that's currently in and we put it in our watering can so we can water our flowers. Now, we are going to use the citric acid cleaner. This is safe for both the machine and for you, but there are some steps you want to follow. First, we know our ice maker holds roughly 32 ounces of water, so we use half a stick based on the recommended dilution rate. We also put this in a measuring cup, and then once filled up to that 32 ounce mark, we're going to go ahead and make sure it's fully mixed and integrated in the water. Then you're going to want to take that mixture, pour it into your machine. Now, we also take out the removable basket and other items to wash in the sink, but for this process, we're just showing you the actual ice maker cleaning. Now, hold down the button. Our instructions say 5 seconds, but we find that you have to hold it down close to 10 seconds. But once you see that red and white blinking, you're in self-cleaning mode. Now, the solution is a deeper clean than standard self-cleaning, and you can self-clean it with just water. The solution will help you with that citric acid to break down any debris, clear out the pump, make sure that you're not going to jam up any parts because it'll help break that down. Because of that, you definitely want to drain this after you're done as soon as possible because it can be mildly caustic. We also don't save this water. We let this one go down the drain. Now, the plug is on the bottom. It pulls right out, and that's what allows you to drain it. Next step, we add some fresh water, and we go ahead and run it through another self-cleaning cycle. Now, you could skip to this part if you've done a recent deep clean, or you could just do this more often, and you'll probably be all right. However, we do this to make sure that we remove any citric acid residue before we go ahead and make new ice. Now, we go ahead and drain that additional cleaning, and then as a last step, we go ahead and just rinse it out while the plug's still open with some fresh water to swish everything out. Once you completed these steps, you can go ahead, add some new water, and start making some ice. You'll not only have a cleaner maker, you'll have fresher tasting ice, and it'll serve you well and make your machine last so much longer. If you like DIY videos like this, click the link above for another one, and here's a preview. If you're thinking about getting a solo stove for your tabletop, this is the video for you.